Prime Minister Narendra Modi today urged all the states to work together in building India as global center of science and technology in the Amrit Kaal. The Prime Minister was addressing the gathering after inaugurating a two-day center-state science conclave at Science City Ahmedabad through video conferencing. India and China have mutually agreed to take the talks forward and resolve the remaining issues along the line of actual control and restore peace and tranquility in the border areas after both sides started the disengagement process at Gorkha Hot Springs area on Thursday. External Affairs Minister S. Jayashankar will embark on a 3-day visit to Saudi Arabia beginning today. This will be his first visit to the kingdom as External Affairs Minister of India. Seminar on Modi at 20 Dreams Meet Delivery at Multi-Use Convention Centre in the presence of Sarvananda Sonowal, MOS of Ayush Waterways and Shipping and Chief Minister Conrad Sangma will be held today. Indian Railways will be introducing the new avatar of high-speed train Vande Bharat, namely Vande Bharat 2. It will be equipped with more advancements and improved features like 0 to 100 km speeds in just 52 seconds, maximum speed up to 180 km per hour, less weight of 329 tons instead of 430 tons, and Wi-Fi Connect on demand.